Alright, Matthew, here's your 153rd scale diecast bus model. This is a, I'm going to do it wrong probably, I think it's International FS-65. Go ahead and throw the comments below because I'm sure I messed that up. But anyway, seems like I always do when it comes to the buses. It is finished up, number 250 that you asked for. Stop sign does swing out, going to go over that. Harford County Public Schools. I had to go back and redo though. Remember I said Hartford, so I'm glad you corrected me on that. So Harford County Schools. I did this a little bit different. These buses come with that stop when red lights are flashing decal on there. I put this 250 on there. If you want me to make that a smaller 250, I can do it. Or if you want me to do it like the other bus and take that decal off and just add the 250 right in the center of the door, I can. So let me know what you want me to do with that. If you want me to leave it the way it is, that's fine too. Let you see it maybe a little bit closer if my camera will actually focus on it. It looks like it's written. It's not actually overlapping the words. I don't know why it looks like it is, but I guess it's just the edge of that decal. Anyway, it's actually, you can see the writing fairly well on there. Harford County Public Schools on this side as well. Number 250 behind the door. Of course, the doors do open. Get my fingers to do it a little bit better this time, and I can't get the other one. But anyway, the doors do open. 23A size battery located underneath. Easy enough to change. Right there. Someone asked me before if I could put the battery inside. I said I can, but it makes it a lot difficult to change. A lot more difficult to change. So anyway, it's a lot easier to do it this way. Of course, your switch is underneath. I don't think I need to tell you what the little tabs are for. Right in the middle of the spare tire is your steady lights, headlight, tail light, turn on the roof strobe as well. Again, is your headlights and, of course, roof strobe and steady tail lights. Turn those. Of course, all of these will operate at the same time as you want them to. You can see. And detract, take away from the other lights. So there's your red flashing, front and rear. Kick those off. Yellow, same way. Nice steady alternating pattern. Of course, you can see the black around your lights. I'll go ahead and painted those for you that you asked me to do. And like I said, if you want to run all the lights at once, you can. And steadies. Everything works, just run your battery. And we have a bus rack. Everything will work, just run your batteries down quicker, but easy enough to change. Good thing these are diecast, since we had a bus rack. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate it. I appreciate you getting back to me quickly about the number placement on there so I can get it knocked out. So there you have it. Matter of fact, I'll probably ship this out tomorrow. So when you get it, let me know again about the 250 on the back, and I'll take care of that either way. And like I said, still be able to get it out for you tomorrow. So thanks again for the order.